The growing demand for mechanical keyboards mirrors the rise of car accessories that blend precision, performance, and reliability. Just as typists and gamers seek superior tactile feedback, today's drivers look for secure, flexible, and user-friendly phone mounts to enhance safety and convenience on the road.
List number 1. Andouille car phone holder for MagSafe. 78 plus pounds strongest suction. Ultra strong and MagSafe ready. The Andouille car phone holder stands out with its incredible 78 plus pounds suction strength, ensuring your phone stays put even on rough roads. Designed for MagSafe compatible iPhones, it delivers unmatched stability and modern style in one compact package. The base features an advanced nanogel suction cup and an air lock lever for industrial-grade grip. The N52 magnets create a strong, reliable connection with your iPhone, keeping it steady through sharp turns or sudden stops. With a 3-in-1 mounting system, it attaches securely to your dashboard, windshield, or air vent, giving you freedom to position your phone where it's most convenient. List number 2. ACM iZing 3-in-1 car phone holder. 122 plus pounds strongest suction. The powerhouse mount. The Acme Zing 3-in-1 car phone holder redefines durability and grip strength, boasting an incredible 122 plus pounds suction power. This mount remains rock solid even on bumpy terrains, ensuring your phone is safe and stable at all times. Crafted from military-grade materials, this holder uses a high-density nano-gel pad and locking suction cup to provide maximum adhesion. It's engineered to withstand heat, cold, and vibration. Functionality. Its 3-in-1 design allows flexible installation on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, adapting easily to any vehicle. The telescopic arm extends and pivots, offering perfect visibility without blocking your view. Compatible with all major smartphones including iPhone, Samsung, and Google Pixel, it securely holds even large devices with thick cases. If you're looking for extreme suction power and all-weather reliability, the Acme Zing 3-in-1 is a powerhouse performer. It combines rugged strength with smart design, ideal for long drives, rough roads, or frequent travelers who demand reliability above all. List number 3. Mirror case phone holder for car with metal hook clip, air vent mount. The Mirror case phone holder delivers simplicity and security with its innovative metal hook clip that latches firmly onto your car's air vent, perfect for those who prefer a minimal, clutter-free setup without compromising stability. Design and construction. The mount features a durable metal hook and anti-slip silicone padding, ensuring a firm grip without scratching your vents. The one-button release mechanism makes mounting and removal effortless. Its gravity lock system automatically clamps your phone when inserted, keeping it stable even on uneven roads. The 360-degree rotating ball joint allows for flexible viewing angles, ideal for navigation or calls. Suitable for most smartphones, 4.7 to 7 inches, including iPhone, Galaxy, and Pixel, even with protective cases. List number 4. Kifutan car phone holder mounts for windshield and dashboard. Versatile and adjustable. The Kifutan car phone holder combines versatility with superior grip, designed to work seamlessly on both windshields and dashboards. Its robust suction base and adjustable arm make it one of the most flexible mounts available. Build and materials. Featuring a strong vacuum suction cup reinforced with sticky gel, it adheres firmly to smooth or textured surfaces. The locking lever ensures extra security during long drives. The telescopic arm extends up to several inches, while the 360-degree rotating head allows for easy customization of viewing angles. It's ideal for navigation, calls, and music control on the go. Supports all major phone models, including iPhone, Samsung, and Google devices, with or without cases. If flexibility and strong grip matter most, the Kifutan car phone holder is a winner. It's durable, easily adjustable, and perfect for drivers who want reliable positioning without limiting dashboard space. List number 5. Magnetic phone holder for car, 120 plus pounds of strongest suction. Minimalist strength meets modern style. This magnetic phone holder impresses with its sleek design and 120+ pounds of magnetic suction strength, ensuring your phone stays securely in place through every bump, turn, or stop. It uses N52H grade magnets, the strongest available, combined with a super sticky gel base for ultimate holding power. Whether you mount it on your dashboard, windshield, or console, it stays rock solid. The compact, minimalist shape saves space and complements any car interior. The 360-degree swivel head allows full angle adjustment for optimal visibility. Simply attach your phone magnetically, no clamps, buttons, or adjustments needed. Works flawlessly with MagSafe compatible devices and includes a magnetic ring for non-MagSafe phones. For drivers who value modern design and unmatched strength, this magnetic phone holder is an excellent choice. It's sleek, durable, and delivers effortless one-hand operation for safer driving.